Torrential rains have again hit Huladao City, Liaoning Province, China, killing at least 11 people and leaving 14 missing. Notably, Huladao City was also submerged by floods last month, killing dozens of people. Roads, power grids, communications, homes and crops have all been severely affected. Preliminary statistics show that the number of people affected by heavy rains in Huladao is nearly 190,000. With losses of 10.3 billion yuan, or nearly 1.45 billion United States dollars. The highest recorded rainfall here was 540 millimeters, exceeding the highest in the entire province and many records in the history of Huladao. The 12-hour rainfall in the heavily affected towns and villages was even equivalent to the annual rainfall of normal years, reaching the highest level here since meteorological records began in 1951. The flood situation in the provinces bordering Vietnam is currently very difficult. On September 11 and 12, many localities in Yunnan and Guangxi provinces, China, bordering Vietnam, continued to issue warnings of heavy rain, flash floods and serious landslides. Due to the influence of water flowing from upstream and heavy rain, the water level of the Yujiang River continued to rise, and the Guangxi Hydrological Center raised the flood warning to red on the afternoon of September 11. Local time. This is the highest warning level on the warning scale in this country. As of 12 o'clock on September 12, 19 monitoring stations of 13 rivers in Guangxi had exceeded the warning level by 1 to 5 meters. The Yangjiang River, a major stream downstream of the Yujiang River, which flows through the capital Nanning, is forecast to reach its highest flood peak since 2014 on September 13. Cities bordering Vietnam, such as Qinzhou and Fangchenggang, continued to issue orange heavy rain warnings on the afternoon of September 11 and noon of September 12. Yunnan Province, the upper reaches of the Red River and Mekong River, also issued similar warnings. Among them, Malipo County and Phu Ninh County of Wenshan Autonomous Prefecture, bordering Vietnam's Lao Cai and Ha Giang provinces, continued to issue orange heavy rain warnings on the morning of September 12. Previously, Wenshan Autonomous Prefecture and the eastern part of Hong Prefecture, which borders Vietnam's Lao Cai and Lai Chau provinces, areas in the Red River Basin, were placed under yellow flash flood and landslide warning zones, according to the Yunnan Provincial Water Resources Department and Meteorological Bureau. To relieve flooded areas, China's Yunnan and Guangxi provinces opened all the gates of hydroelectric dams to release floodwaters downstream to Vietnam, causing historic flooding in 10 provinces and cities in Vietnam, including the capital Hanoi, which was flooded and half of the city was submerged. According to reports from the Vietnamese government, millions of houses have been submerged in floodwaters in the past 3 days due to China releasing floodwaters from upstream. Currently, Yunnan Province has issued a Level 1 warning for meteorological and geological disasters since September 11. In particular, a series of localities in Hong Prefecture, such as Hekou County and Maguan County, near the Vietnam-China border, have a Level 1 risk of meteorological and geological disasters, the highest level, with a very high risk of flash floods and landslides. Due to the influence of the circulation of Typhoon Yagi causing heavy rain, the water level of the Red River and Nanxi River in Yunnan Province has risen rapidly, causing 6 communes and towns in Hekou County to be flooded and completely submerged. Preliminary statistics as of noon on September 12 show that the floods have caused direct economic losses in this district of nearly 120 million yuan. Hekou has evacuated 22,130 people, but no casualties have been reported. According to the latest forecast from the National Meteorological Center of China, heavy rains will continue to occur in many regions of the country in the next 3 days, including Yunnan, Guangxi, Guangdong and Hainan Island. In addition, in the next 10 days, there will be 1 to 2 storms forming in the East Sea and the Northwest Pacific, directly affecting China. On September 11, the Ministry of Water Resources issued a warning for 7 provinces and autonomous regions, including Shaanxi, Inner Mongolia, Guangxi and Yunnan, and directed the prevention and response to the upcoming heavy rains in the above localities. According to China's forecast, the risk of natural disasters in September will be concentrated in the western region of China. Meanwhile, the risk of localized flooding may occur throughout the northeastern, northern, eastern, southern, southwestern and northwestern regions of the country. Some rivers in the Yellow River, Yangtze River, Pearl River and Somliao River basins may experience flooding beyond the warning level. The Northwest Pacific and the South China Sea are forecast to see 3 to 5 typhoons in September, of which 1 to 2 will have a significant impact on China. The typhoons will mainly move west and northwest, will mainly affect the southern coastal areas of the country,